Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining me today. I'm solo, I'm all by myself, trying out this 3D pen. These are plastic filaments. They come in different colors and they feed through this 3D pen, which melts the plastic at this tip just like a pencil. And you can draw with plastic and it'll dry in a 3D shape. Now we're new. You know, I've only done this a couple times, but I thought it was fun, something new to try for the kids in their art project. Okay, we have our filament, this gray kind of silver filament feeding in the back of the pen, as you can see. And we're going to press, there's a speed, slow speed, and fast speed that feeds the plastic through the pen and melts at the end. So I'm going to press the arrow to feed the plastic through. You can hear that. And it'll come out here at the top and melt that plastic little by little. Now you want to adjust your speed when you do your drawings. Probably start slow. You can see we have our 3D pen with the filament, the plastic feeding in the back. It kind of gets hard to control sometimes, but it's feeding through the back. Now, there's a speed on the pen here. Slow, fast. There's arrows that make the plastic go through and back, okay? The tip is hot, so be careful. What I've done is I've printed out a small Dallas Cowboys helmet and taped the paper on a cookie sheet. Now, the best practice would be to get a wax paper and put wax paper on top, but I don't have that right now, so let's just do it right on the paper. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm just gonna go around the edge, make an outline. Kind of reminds me of welding, but it basically feeds that silver plastic through, melts it. I'm gonna go around the edge of the helmet here, basically trace the paper, and stop. Make a circle here, and stop. Now, I've only done this a couple of times, so obviously I'm not a pro or an expert. Just having fun, something new to try. Let's go around this star. So this plastic dries very quickly. I'm just gonna use, you can use a pencil, a butter knife, or something similar. I'm just gonna use this skewer that I have to try to pry it off of the paper. This is why you want wax paper, because it'll peel off a lot cleaner and a lot easier. But right now we're just gonna slowly pull that plastic off of the paper if we can. Pry up underneath. can see your 3D Dallas Cowboys helmet made with a 3D pen. Like we said, there are different options of color filaments you can get, like this. These are all plastic filaments that you feed through the 3D pen that heats up, melts, feeds the plastic through, melts it, and you can just draw with plastic basically. Look in the description of this video for 3D pen options from Amazon. Purchase those using those links and try something new. On Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us.